Welcome, traders from around the world. The time has come for the greatest competition in crypto history. Only one will prove that skill, discipline, and strategy can conquer the market.
Whoa, did you see that? This is insane!
A global trading tournament? That sounds exciting, but also kind of terrifying.
Terrifying? This is our moment. We're gonna enter, make some crazy trades, hit a few winners, and boom!
That sounds exactly like the kind of thinking that gets people liquidated.
Relax, we'll just ride some pumps. How hard can it be? That question right there is exactly why most people lose.
Come on, Didi, don't start already.
I'm serious, Tommy. Trading isn't about hype. It's not about adrenaline. And it's definitely not about guessing.
Then what is it about?
A system, a process, discipline.
Well, then show us. If we're doing this tournament, I want to win.
Good. Then for once, don't try to be fast. Try to be smart.
Round 1 begins in 1 hour. All participants, prepare your strategies.
Look at this place. These traders look intense.
Some of them have like 10 screens each.
Perfect. We just need confidence. No, we need clarity. Same thing. Not even close.
So what now?
Now we observe, then we prepare, then we act only when the setup is right. Or we just jump in before everyone else and catch the move first.
That's not trading. That's impatience disguised as confidence.
You always make it sound so deep.
Because the market punishes shallow thinking.
Whoa, look, the charts are pumping so hard. This coin is going to the moon. Last chance before liftoff. There, that one. It's pumping already. This is easy.
Wait, did you even check why it's moving?
Price is going up. That's why.
But that doesn't mean it's safe.
It's a sure thing.
Tommy?
Too late. I'm in. Boom. Let's go. Wait, what? It's dropping hard. No way, this can't be happening. The charts are red everywhere.
We're gonna lose everything.
No, come back up! And there it is. What do you mean, there it is?
You didn't enter because you had a plan. You entered because you felt urgency.
It looked strong.
A strong candle is not the same as a strong setup. I hate this tournament already.
Okay, maybe I should take the opposite approach. Be calmer. Wait more.
Yeah, but don't wait too much or you'll miss everything.
I know.
Guaranteed breakout. Easy 5x move incoming.
Guaranteed? That already sounds suspicious.
Maybe suspicious, but maybe profitable.
I'll take a small position.
Did you verify it?
Not really. I just thought... Wow. We are both terrible.
No. You're both doing what most beginners do.
Which is?
Letting outside noise replace internal process.
Okay then, Master Trader, show us how you do it.
All right, watch closely, because this is exactly how I use the Didi AI app to put my trades.
So this is really how you do it?
Yes, every trade starts with structure.
And that structure starts where? With the market scanner.
Check this out! The market scanner is live.
Okay, now this looks serious.
It's ranking the best signals.
There are multiple signals here. BTC is at the top.
Let's check the others.
Yes, but understand this clearly. Not everything gets shown here.
What do you mean?
The AI engine filters the market. It doesn't just throw random trades at you. It uses a strict confluence trading model to decide whether a setup is strong enough to appear in the scanner.
So what exactly is it checking?
It looks for alignment between multiple technical factors. Not one signal, not one indicator, a combination.
Like what? Things like RSI, MACD, MA50, MA200, Bollinger Bands, trend structure, momentum, context.
So if they all start lining up, the AI flags it?
Exactly. The stronger the alignment, the stronger the setup. So this already cuts out a lot of garbage. That's the whole point. The market is full of noise. The scanner helps me focus only on opportunities that deserve attention. The market scanner displays a ranked list of signals with assets, direction, time frame, and strength.
Do you always choose the top signal?
Not automatically. The scanner gives me candidates. It does not replace thinking.
So what's next? Now I choose one signal that interests me, and I go deeper.
Tap a signal, Sol USDT long 4H.
Why that one?
Because it has a strong score, a clear time frame, and the market structure looks clean. That gives me enough reason to investigate.
Investigate? You already have the signal.
And that's the mistake most people make. They see a signal and think the work is done.
But for you, the work is just beginning.
Exactly. Check this out. The signal detail page is opening.
Whoa, that's detailed.
Yep, every technical indicator you need.
So this is the full technical breakdown?
Yes, this is where I understand why the AI generated the signal.
Why is that so important if the app already did the work?
Because I never want to put money behind something I don't understand.
Makes sense.
Look here, the app explains the trend bias. It shows me whether the token is trading above or below key averages. It gives me the logic behind the setup.
Yeah, I get it now. TP1, TP2, TP3. So at this point, you're asking, does this trade make sense?
Yes. And also, do I agree with the logic? Because if I don't understand it, I don't take it.
Double confirmation?
Exactly. Let's look at the technical analysis.
What if the signal looks great here?
Then I move to the next step.
Wait, so even after all that, you still verify again?
What do you do here?
I run the token again through the technical analysis feature within the Didi AI app.
Same token?
Same token, same time frame, no shortcuts. That part is important.
Why the same time frame specifically?
Because if my original signal is based on the 4-hour chart, then my confirmation must also be based on the 4-hour chart. Otherwise, I'm mixing signals from different realities.
Different realities?
Yes. A chart can look bullish on one time frame and weak on another.
Oh, I get it.
If you mix them carelessly, you confuse yourself.
So you stay consistent.
Exactly. Consistency creates clarity.
And what are you looking for now?
I want to see whether the technical analysis supports the same idea. Same bias, similar structure, similar reasoning.
And if it doesn't?
Then I slow down. No conflict means cleaner conviction. Conflict means caution.
You're still not done?
Not until the trade earns my trust.
So what does this feature in the Didi AI app do for you?
This gives me another AI-driven interpretation of the setup. A second layer of validation.
On the same token and time frame again?
Exactly. Always the same asset. Always the same time frame as the original signal.
And now you compare all three?
Yes. Market Scanner gave me the opportunity. The signal breakdown gave me the logic. Technical analysis gave me confirmation. AI trading suggestions gives me an additional decision layer.
So if all of them point in the same direction,
Then I know I'm no longer looking at a random idea. I'm looking at a trade with stacked confirmation.
And that increases your confidence.
Yes, but let me be very clear. Confidence does not mean recklessness.
so even a great setup doesn't mean full send?
Never. That's where risk management comes in.
Oh, I get it now. Control the risk.
Exactly. Let's practice. This is where traders are separated from gamblers. Uh-oh, here comes the sermon. Listen carefully. A strong signal does not mean infinite risk. It means the setup deserves consideration, not worship.
So how do you decide how much exposure to take?
I look at the strength of the setup, the clarity of the confirmation, the time frame, the volatility, and the overall market context. Okay, but translate that into normal language. Fine. If everything is very clean and strongly aligned, I may choose slightly more exposure. If the setup is decent but less perfect, I reduce exposure.
So stronger setup, slightly bigger position. Weaker setup, smaller position.
Exactly, but always within a controlled risk framework.
Meaning?
Meaning no single trade should ever be able to destroy you.
That line should be on a wall somewhere.
It should be in every trader's head.
So you're not trying to get rich from one trade.
No, I'm trying to survive long enough for good trades to compound.
That's the difference, isn't it?
Yes, bad traders think about winning, great traders think about longevity.
So now you know the setup is strong. How do you decide the actual size?
I start with one question. How much am I willing to lose if this trade is wrong?
Not how much you want to make?
No, that's the wrong starting point. Interesting. If you begin with greed, you oversize. If you begin with risk, you stay in control.
So first you define acceptable loss.
Correct. Then I use the stop-loss distance and my account structure to calculate my exposure.
So the stronger the signal, the more comfortable you may be with a bigger position?
Yes, but still only inside my rules.
So your rules come first. The signal only adjusts within those rules.
Perfectly said.
I think I'm finally starting to get it.
Good, because now comes the part most people rush, execution. Now we're talking.
This part always makes me nervous.
Relax, watch this live execution.
Yes, the market's moving so fast.
That's the thrill. We're in profit. I place the entry according to the plan. Then I place the stop loss immediately. Then I map out my take profit levels.
All before the trade starts moving?
Whoa, that's quick. Yes, because once emotions kick in, improvisation becomes dangerous.
So you don't just enter and then see what happens?
But Didi, we have to do something. Never. That's how people turn strategy into chaos.
But what if we're too late?
Entry set, stop loss set, TP1 set, TP2 set, TP3 set.
That looks so much more professional than what we were doing.
We were basically just throwing ourselves at candles. Exactly. A trade is not just an idea. It is a plan with boundaries.
And once it's placed?
Then I let the trade work. I don't babysit every candle. I don't panic over every tiny move. How are you so calm right now? Because the hard work is done.
That's actually true, isn't it? The real work was all the analysis before the trade.
Most people think trading is about clicking buy or sell. Exactly. It's not. It's about everything that happens before that click and everything that doesn't happen after, like emotional sabotage. Now you're learning.
It's working.
Yes, let's add more. Double down.
No. Why not? It's winning. Because excitement is just fear wearing a different mask.
But the numbers are going up.
Wow.
That was annoyingly deep. The moment you feel invincible, you become vulnerable.
See these patterns? They're signaling a big move.
All right, I want to do one the right way now. Good. Start with the scanner inside the Didi AI app.
Okay, I see a signal here. Strong score, clean direction, same structure as you explained.
Good. Now don't rush. Right. Click the signal. Read the breakdown.
What does it say?
Trend is aligned, entry zone makes sense, stop loss is under structure, take profit levels are clearly mapped.
Next step?
Technical analysis feature. Same token, same time frame.
He remembered. I'm evolving.
Great job, team.
It matches. And now?
AI trading suggestions in the Didi AI app. Run it again. And it also supports the trade.
Nice.
Okay, now risk. How much am I willing to lose if I'm wrong? Exactly. Smaller than I wanted, but smarter than I wanted. That's progress.
And look at these metrics. They're climbing. My turn. Inside the Didi AI app, I look at the market scanner first. Not every signal deserves attention. Only the ones that pass the confluence model.
Look at her, sounding all professional.
Then I choose one setup worth investigating. Open the signal, study the full technical breakdown, understand the logic, verify why the AI generated it.
Exactly.
Then I confirm it in technical analysis feature in the Didi AI app. Same token, same time frame. Then I run it again in AI trading suggestions.
Yeah, super cool.
And if they align?
Then I decide my exposure based on the strength of the setup, but still within my risk rules.
Perfect.
Then I execute with structure. Entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3.
You sound like a tournament finalist already.
No. I sound like someone who finally stopped guessing.
Leaderboard update!
We're climbing.
Didi is near the top.
And look, you're moving up too.
So are you.
Yeah, but for the first time, it doesn't feel random. That's because it isn't.
It's weird. The more disciplined this becomes, the less emotional it feels.
That's the paradox of great trading. It gets better when it gets less exciting.
Final round. One last opportunity to determine the champion of the trading tournament.
This is it.
Heart rate definitely up.
Breathe. Same process. No hero moves. Scanner first,
Choose carefully.
then verify, then confirm, then manage risk, then execute.
It sounds simple when you say it like that.
Simple is good. Simple is repeatable.
I found one. Strong scanner score. Clean signal structure.
Mine too. Checking the breakdown now. Don't let the countdown rush you. Technical analysis confirms.
AI trading suggestions confirms mine too. Good. Size it responsibly. I still want to go bigger. And what do your rules say? Smaller. Then trust the rules.
Trade placed.
Trade placed. Trade placed.
Come on.
Mine just hit TP1.
Nice. Mine is close. Come on, come on. Mine too. Mine is close. Come on. Come on, come on. Yes!
Good. Now don't turn one good moment into a bad decision. Right. Stay calm.
TP2.
I can't believe this. The process actually works. The process doesn't guarantee every trade wins. It gives you a repeatable edge.
That's the real difference.
The trading tournament has concluded. In third place, Nami.
Third? I'll take it.
In second place, Lisa.
No way.
Lisa, that's amazing.
And in first place, the champion of the trading tournament, Didi.
You actually did it.
Not because you got lucky, but because you stayed disciplined from start to finish.
That's the real secret. So after everything, what's the one thing that matters most? Discipline.
More than skill?
Discipline makes skill useful.
More than confidence?
Discipline keeps confidence from becoming arrogance.
More than signals?
Discipline is what allows you to use signals correctly.
So the Didi AI app gives you the edge, but the trader still needs the mindset.
Exactly.
Market scanner inside the Didi AI app to find strong setups. Signal go breakdown to understand the logic. Technical analysis and AI trading suggestions for confirmation. Risk management protection. Execution with a plan.
That's the full system.
Yes. And when you follow a system, you stop trading like a gambler and start acting like a professional. I used to think trading was about being right
Now I think it's about being prepared.
and surviving long enough for your edge to play out. You know, this tournament was never really about beating other traders.
It was about beating your own emotions.
Now you understand. The market doesn't reward the loudest trader. It rewards the most disciplined one.